Alright, so what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm on the iPhone today. I need to buy a new GoPro. I keep running out of batteries and yeah, so I need to buy some more batteries for the GoPro. But, so as you see today, we got the GTI in the garage. So this thing's getting a little bit of maintenance today. So a little shop garage update, if you guys are interested in that. We added a little driveway extension for the truck and the GTI. So that gives us 2 more cars that we can store, and the truck is getting the LS soon. So I've been part stacking for that. I've been ordering a shit ton of stuff. As you see, mounts, headers, you know, this thing looks pretty good. But today, as you click on this video, we got the GTI in. We just did a little bit of coolant flush off camera. This is what it looked like. I never touched the coolant on this thing, so I topped it off with water every once in a while because the thermostat has been leaking for a good amount of time. So I have a metal one. This thing is getting a 3.2 soon, so I'm just gonna do this temporary because it is making chain noise, so I am a little bit nervous about that, but it is what it is. So it is getting a 3.2 soon, so we can always just swap the metal stuff over because I think it'll be fine. I can always order like a gasket set and then change it over. So I just did a coolant flush. I did about 5 times of filling the bubble, draining out the bottom, filling the bubble, draining out the bottom, and starting the car in between, letting it get up to temp. I'm going to be doing the thermostat and the crack pipe today. So I'm gonna have to take the battery out and stuff and get that situated. I'm gonna be doing an oil change today. So literally, this is a maintenance video, but also we're doing a little bit of upgrading because that stuff is all plastic and I have the metal upgrade, so I gotta go grab that. I'll bring you guys along for the ride and see how many complications we run into. All right, so we got it all laid out here. This is the IABED kit. Comes with all this stuff. This is from ECS. I'm not a fan of ECS. I hate their website and I hate how not customer service friendly they are. But this was the only place who had it, and I had to order it from there. So it is what it is. But this is the full kit. We're gonna be doing oil change. Got the coolant. Got another 5 quarts right there. We got the oil filter, pump for the trans fluid. So we're gonna get to work here and take this battery out and get access to the thermostat and the crack pipe down there. So let's take shit apart and put it back together. All right, so thermostat is out. The gasket kind of just fell out with it. So I think this thing was leaking for some time. You know, no big deal or anything. I didn't get a new temp sensor, so I'm just gonna run this one. If I have to replace it, I'll have to replace it down the road. But this one works for now, I think. Oh my god, this thing is so crusty. The valve cover gas has been leaking on it, but it's definitely been leaking because, oh yeah, that's probably just all fucked up coolant and shit. So yeah, here's the new unit. Nice aluminum, all the O-rings and stuff. And I'm going to try and get this crack pipe out. I heard this is the most painful part, the most difficult part. So we're gonna try and get this out. I'll update you guys when that's out. Hopefully it goes smooth. Probably not though, you know, that's Volkswagen. Holy shit, man. That fucking sucked. Oh my god, please don't tell me the O-ring's still in there. I'm about to be pissed if it is. Fuck, I think it is. I don't know, but that sucked As you can see, it was just breaking off. Oh my god. 10 out of 10, don't recommend this job. So yeah, got it out. Now I gotta see if the O-ring's still in there, and if it is, I gotta somehow get in there and pick that out. But now comes the easy part of reassembly, hopefully. Cross my dick. But here's the new one. We gotta grind this down, I believe. We gotta assemble our thermostat right there. But yeah, we're halfway there now. So now we're just gonna put it all back together, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Clean our gasket surfaces and all that, and do all that fun stuff. Throw it back together, do an oil change, and top off the trans fluid and see if that is the culprit of the leak. Maybe it's power steering, I don't know. But we're taking this thing on about 2-hour drive, 4-hour round trip, for some pretty sick seats for the thing. So you guys will see that, and yeah, that'll probably be the next video, but stay tuned for that. All right, this will be done in about 1 second for you guys, but probably an hour and a half for me. This is all good. That's the old one, all shitty, seals all fucked up. This is not fun. You assemble this like out of the car so you can just match everything up. But this is the OEM one. I got an extra one just in case. I had to go to AutoZone and get a fucking shitty Duralast one. That's the OEM one. That's still good, so I'm going to keep that as well, just in case. And now we got to slide the crack pipe in, like so. And this will be the hardest part, so once this is in, we'll be good. Then we can throw the thermostat in, fill her up with some coolant, and some pink coolant, not brown like we emptied here. And should be good. Then we can change the oil, throw some more trans fluid in it, and this thing should be dialed for its road trip all the way up to North Jersey. So yeah, I'll update you guys when this is in and done and ready to go. So see you then. Torque to 10 Newton meters. Got the little 1/4 inch torquer out there, torque wrench. Now we're gonna lube up all the fittings, get all the clamps on there, and top her off with coolant, bleed it, and then should be good. Check for leaks. Hopefully there's no leaks. Fingers crossed, cross your dicks. But yeah, wasn't too bad. I expected worse, but actually I didn't expect worse. I knew it was gonna suck, but is what it is. So get hyped, because this car is gonna be pretty sick with this. This interior is almost together. I have door sills. I have so much little small stuff. I have the black pieces back there. I gotta Velcro that up. And we're getting some new seats, even though I just got these, but we're getting some new freaking seats. So yeah, let me do this and then take it for a rip maybe later. All right, oil change done. Topped off trans fluid. So it turns out it was already full. So I don't think that's where I'm leaking from. I have no clue where I'm leaking from, honestly. I'm gonna have to pinpoint it a little bit further right after this coolant is done. So here's a moment of truth. We're gonna top her off with coolant, start her up, and see if there's any damn leaks. Just about over maintenance on this specific motor. So high miles, change is about to go, so 3.2 coming soon, very soon, after the seats, soon. So get hyped for that. This thing gonna rip. I might nitrous it and go out with a bang with it and see what it runs at the track. So let's top her off, see if we got any leaks. All right, so far so good, no leaks. She's topped off. I might need to add some more. Not seeing any leakage anywhere. I think, I don't know. super hard to tell because I already spilled so much stuff on the ground, so I might have to back it up, drive it on ramps or something, but I gotta let it sit here, warm up, let the thermostat open, hopefully, and got the heat on, and we're just gonna let this thing sit here and idle. So looking pretty good. You can hear the chain. You hear the chain or guide, so yeah. I'll update you guys if this thing's leaking or not. Hopefully not. Alright. So it is done. I'm gonna let it sit here and idle for about 20 minutes or so. Let the fans kick on and stuff like that. Take it for a test drive, and then it should be good. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. If you like it, subscribe, thumbs up, you know, do all that. And next video you'll see we're getting finishing up the interior on the GTI, and then we have the truck to work on too. And that's getting that. So stay tuned for that content as well, and just stay tuned for all the content. I know it's been a little bit slow, but things are starting to pick up again. Starting to order more and more shit. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.